China Renee. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. I think you're going to love my content. And if you're not new, welcome back, China Gang. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do my lips now. This is my current lip routine. Thank you guys for commenting and requesting this video. I truly appreciate that. So I just wanted to come in because it's actually going to be super quick and super easy, and it gives you just a nice pout, and it's cute. So here's what I'm using. I'm going to be using a skinny long lip pencil in the color chocolate. I got this from my local beauty supply. That's what I'll be lining my lips with. And then I'm going to be using these two MAC lip glass colors. One color is Frills and Chills, and the other color is Charmed, I'm Sure. That's the name of these two colors. So let's go ahead and get started with this quick tutorial. I just have my mirror here so that I can see what I'm doing. My pencil is already sharpened. Lips a little ashy, but that's okay. So I just start by lining the lower lip, bottom lip. Notice I fill in just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna line the top. I am overlining ever so slightly, just a little bit. So overlining is going to give you that volume and plumpness. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Charmed, I'm Sure. And then I'm gonna go on top with the Frills and Chills. And this has like a little bit of glitter in it. So I just kind of put that right in the center. Give this a really nice shine. That is my current lip routine. I love these MAC lip glasses. If I'm not using these, I use Fenty, but same chocolate liner, and that's it. It's super simple. If you like this video, if you love this tutorial, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys for another video soon. Bye.